Lakay, wala. Ay, wow. Nandun kay Batang Elio Black. Harap pa Antonio. Pasto Lakay, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Enriquez. Yes. Good for 2 points. Pass break na naman. Nandun kay Manlangit. To Antonio. Nakalebre. Wala. Rebound by Lakay. Lakay. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Bong. Ayan si Bong. Nakalebre. Tumerenzo. Wala. Rebound by Antonio. Bola sa Antonio. Antonio. Taas to Bong. Umikot. Tumira. Wala. Tumira again. Yes. Good for 2 points by Bong. Okay. Entrangin from the baseline. Batang Elio Black. Number 24. Tumira. Wala. Airball. Nandun may kabayan. Harap wala kay. Pass to Manlangit. Manlangit to Master. Master nakalebre. Good for 2 points by Master. This program is brought to you by Ultra Bulsa Water. Nandun kaya Enriquez. Harap by Antonio. Enriquez. Tumerenzo. Yes. Good for 2 points by Enriquez. From the baseline ball. Pass to Master. Master controlling the ball. Master nakalebre. Tumero. Wala. Rebound by Manlangit. 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 Ako ba ito? Nakago ang bola. Bilis ng takbo nitong naka-orange. Ano naman, Tumeret. Wala. Rebound by Manlangit. Manlangit now. Harap Belakay. Manlangit. From the corner. Pass to Master. Master. Last ball. Enriquez. Harap by Manlangit. Enriquez. Pass to Papatot. Papatot. From the rainbow. Wala. Rebound by Manlangit. Mamadali. Pinasa kay Antonio. Antonio nakalebre. Lost ball by Antonio. From the baseline. Pinasa kay Enriquez. Enriquez harap kay Antonio. Enriquez. Harap kay Antonio. Enriquez harap kay Antonio. Enriquez pass to Batang Elio Black. A nice block by Bong. So, matawag ng foul. From the baseline, Batang Elio Black. Batang Elio Black. Tumera ng 3. Yes! Yes! Good for 2 points by. From the baseline to Bong. Antonio. Pass to Master. Wala. Rebound by Kabayan. Enriquez. Pinaikot ng bola. Pinasa kay Batang Elio Black. From the rainbow. Pass to Papatok. Papatok. Pinasa sa ilalim. Harap by Bong. Binalik kay Papatok. Pass to Batang Elio Black. Nandun kay Enriquez. Nalebre. Wala. Rebound by Kabayan. Kabayan. Harap by Batang Elio Black. Tumerenzo. Yes. Good for 2 points. Kabayan. Pass to naman. Nakuha ni Master. Sa Kabayan. Pass to Manlangit. Wala. Nakuha kay Batang Elio Black. Good. Enriquez para sa Antonio. Inaikot kay Batang Elio Black. Wala. Sa ilalim. Wow. Good. Reverse by Batang Elio Black. Nandun man si Antonio. Antonio. Mamadali. Pinasa sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by Lakay. Wala. Lost. Number 24, Lauritino. Pass to Lakay, Tumira. Wala. Airball. Okay. Pass to Bong. Master. Yes, good for 2 points by Master. From the baseline. Pinasa na naman si Bayan. Ando naman pass break nila. Wala. Rebound by Manlangit. Nandun kay Manlangit. Nakalebre, Tumira. Wow. Good for 2 points by Manlangit. Dito na naman. Si kabayan. Haras by Bang. Pinaikot ang bola. Wow! Good for two points by Lakay. Master. Castro Antonio. Pinilit sa ilalim. Wow! Good for two points by Anson.